afternoon. My name is Bri, and this is my vlog.
For the record, Caitlin is the one who wants me to vlog today, which is fine, but she won't pick up her own vlog camera and vlog.
I gotta wait till you become popular so I can just become popular too, so I don't have to try.
I'm keeping that in. Anyway, it is...
I'm gonna be just your side.
What time is it? 6:44. It's 6:44 p.m.
April 14th.
April 14th. We were up way too late last night. We made some friends. Well, I made some friends. She already knew them.
No, I mean, I didn't really know. I only knew 2 of them really well, so I made some friends.
Well, I made some friends. And we were up. I got home at 3:50 a.m. I haven't done that in a long time. So yeah, and now we're going out tonight, but with different people. There's only one person that's the same, but...
Your hair looks really good, by the way.
Thanks. I don't know how to feel about it. Thank you.
Poppin'.
You can see my highlight right here.
Hey.
Anyway, I guess I'm gonna vlog because she wants me to vlog and they're her friends, so I'm assuming they're gonna be okay with it.
Wait, why do you keep saying my friends?
Because I only know one of them.
Okay, well, like, they're gonna become your friends, so then it's gonna be...
Okay. Bye. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so I guess I'm making a little vlog tonight to see what we get into.
Get up into. 14 more days.
Yes, until Playlist Live.
I'm just so hyped. I'm so hyped.
I am too. This is so pointless.
No, but it's okay because then you can add it onto your week or something. I don't know. You haven't uploaded in a while.
I know.
Because you've been slacking on your vlogging job.
Yeah, but what about all my other jobs? I've been keeping up with them. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna vlog. How far is what?
The place.
10 minutes, 10, 15.
Okay.
Anyway, but it might be busy. So we might need to go get a lane. We're going boiling. We're going bowling. If I haven't said that. So I guess I'm gonna turn this off, go to the bathroom, and we might get going because we might have to either wait for a lane or whatever. Okay, bye. We're at the bowling alley.
Scratching my eye for a good 2 seconds.
And we're waiting for everybody else. Yeah. She just called her friends and they said they're on their way. So we're just waiting. We got a lane.
About to lose in some bowling.
The bar's upstairs.
Oh my god.
So
you need to get good at this.
I used to be on the bowling team.
Bruh.
But just until I left.
So you can bowl. I'm the only one that doesn't know how to bowl.
You didn't have to know how to bowl to be on the bowling team. It was just so I could get on the team.
Petty.
Everybody did that.
I didn't know that was an option.
Well, we weren't friends in high school, so you didn't know. Anyway. We're lane 36.
Bowling montage.
I was thinking to say, maybe I'll do a bowling montage once we start. If people don't judge me too bad. Let's try that again. We might be adding to our group. Be off your feet. Did you finally get a chance to dance along?
Yeah, so we might maybe later on in the night.
Yeah,
but right now we're still solid with our strong 5.
We'll see. When you invite one person and then it turns into multiple people.
Yeah, it turns into something and then it turns into something.
It's okay. Anyway, so we're beer drinkers now.
Yes. But we're drinking the bitch beer. Oh.
That's whatever. I can't get monetized anyway.
But can't you? You can bleep them. Anyway, the Angry Orchard. And then we had a delicious one at
Fat Bottom.
At Fat Bottom, which if you're ever in Nashville, it's a brewery. It's really good in the nation. And they only have beer, but we tried a really good cider beer there. It was really good.
Good. So now we just
punctuality, like I'm early, like when I can't be, but like when I like have the right to be early, I'm always like so early, and Bri's early too, and I'm just like, yes, like that's the way it should be. Everybody else is like 2 hours later. Hi guys, I'm here. Like what? No.
Oh my gosh.
No, thank you. But yeah, we should be bowling soon, and you guys are going to see how we bowl.
I'm awful, so
Yeah, a granny bowl. Bri is there. Right, that's our thing. And okay, I'm going. I was trying to help you here. Yep. The vlog can't see that.
I thought I would know better. That's wishful thinking, thought there'd be no pressure. That's wishful drinking, is anything forever? Or just a feeling? What have I been so afraid of? I don't know. From Brooklyn to New York, then off to the west. In Cali, no Cali, but fuck, we the best. My stripes, they American, let me express. And I keep it as live as a total request.
See, we're on time.
Exactly.
Oh, whoops.
Okay, so we are headed to Taco Hell right now. It is pouring down rain. Luckily Bri and I parked close, the boys did not. And we were rude and was like, bye. So we are going to go to Taco Bell now and feed our bellies. Bri was second place in bowling. I was third, but you should have won. It's okay though. But yeah. This rain sucks though, low key, high key.
So it is 9:47 and I'm home much earlier than I was last night. But I wanted to come on here real quick because I've got an overwhelming feeling right now. Overwhelming feeling of anxiety and stuff like that. The past 2 nights I've been surrounded by people, surrounded by new people that I had never met before. Of course there were a couple that I had known, but I've met a lot of new people the past 2 nights. And although everything went great, I'm still the odd one out. At least that's how my brain's making me feel. And no matter how hard I'm trying to get rid of that thought and feeling, it's not going away. So even though I've had a great time, especially last night, I had a good time tonight too, but it's just an overwhelming feeling of, did those people actually, like me? Did I fit in? Which most of the time I'm like, I don't care if I fit in, it's whatever. But it's just overwhelming right now. And my anxiety has gotten better over the past year or so. but right now I'm really feeling it. And so I want you guys to know that if you feel this way, that's okay. I am the friend that is quieter most of the time. Not all the time. Most of the time I'm the quieter friend. I'm an introvert a lot of the time. Sometimes I can be an extrovert, but mainly introvert. All of my friends have more outgoing personalities, and they tend to be liked more. And so I kind of like when I meet people on my own, because they, you know, they have more of a chance to like me for me. But then, of course, I normally introduce people to my friends, which is not a bad thing. But then the overwhelming feeling of, oh, they like them more than they like me. And there's several reasons for that mentality. And I'm trying really, really hard to get out of that mentality. But it just seems like everything, every thought that I have, there's like some sort of validation for it in either words people say or actions. Yeah. Oh. Anxiety sucks. You can see Princess Ariel on my shirt. I got this on sale at Kmart one night when I was spending the night somewhere and I needed it. So yeah, don't judge. Anyway, any tips would just be appreciated. Because at this point it's just getting, because normally I'm fine because I don't, this sounds bad, but I don't meet that many new people. It's just my regular friend group, which is awesome. But now that I'm meeting new people, it's flaring up again. So this is almost a 5-minute long clip of rambling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little bowling montage. And I'm super excited for Playlist Live. I'm excited to meet new people out of the not the stress, but I'm excited to meet new people who love what I love. Not that the people I've met recently don't love what I love, but I haven't gotten in depth with any of that. So I'm very excited for Playlist Live. If you were there and you see me, please say hi, because I would love to meet you. I know this clip kind of seems like, oh, I'm saying I don't like meeting new people, but I want to meet you. Like, it's completely different in my mind. So please, 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 if you see me, say hi. I would love to meet you. And hopefully I'll have another few videos up before Playlist Live, but I'm hoping to bring my laptop and stuff to Playlist Live so I can edit and upload on time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, all of that general stuff. Follow me on Instagram if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.